Today we are going to make orange glazed chicken chorizo meatballs. I found it online. All right, so here's the mise en place. We've got a pound of ground chicken. We've got 6 ounces of chorizo. We have 2 large eggs. Of course, we're gonna beat those. We have 6 tablespoons of cilantro. We have 2/3 cup of pomegranate seeds, 2/3 cup of mango, and I am gonna chop that a little finer than that. We're gonna use a whole 5 tablespoons out of here of orange juice. We have 1 tablespoon of salt. We have 1 cup of cornbread breadcrumbs. And the marmalade. Now, I left the best for last. We're gonna use some of the homemade salsa my wife made. We're gonna use 1 1/4 cup. And then the jalapeno pepper jelly, we're gonna use this red pepper jelly. All right, at this point you should preheat your oven to 375. Then we're gonna take the cornbread crumbs, just dump them here in the bowl. We're gonna take 1/2 cup of the picante sauce, dump that in there. And then this is 1 tablespoon of orange juice. Stir in a portion of the cilantro, about 2 tablespoons before chopped. So something like that. We're going to put in the egg. We're going to dump that in. I don't know if you can see that, but I am going to start stirring this stuff here as we go. Then we're going to put the salt in. And then the chicken and chorizo, and we're going to mix all of this. Here's that pound of chicken. Oh, actually, let's stir this first. All right, so it looks like we're mixed pretty good here. So the next thing we're gonna do then is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add the chicken. And then we got the chorizo.
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 And then after that, we're just gonna mix this. Now you wanna mix this very thoroughly. Alright, so we have the meatballs made here. It looks like it made, let's see, 8, 16, 20. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in the oven now, 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna make the sauce now. And it doesn't have to be in any particular order. I'm gonna start with the picante. I'll set that aside. The marmalade. Paddington Bear. And just because it's sitting here, just the rest of that 4 tablespoons of orange juice, the mango, all right. Then we're going to add the jelly. Now we're going to let this, we're going to bring it to a boil, let it simmer for a few minutes. Then we're going to add the pomegranate seeds, and then this sauce should be ready for those meatballs. Now that we have it boiling, we're going to go ahead and reduce it to a simmer. And we're going to add the pomegranate. Now this is optional according to the recipe, but I'm putting them in there. And then the cilantro that I had chopped up will go in there. All right, we'll stir that for a few minutes and then the sauce should be done. All right, so we got these done. 15, well, it was actually 20 minutes. We got them to 165. Dumped some of our sauce on, garnished it a bit, and we definitely gotta have one, right? See how there's your breadcrumbs and everything mixed in there. A little sauce on there. That's really good. And I think it'd be good on like a bed of rice, maybe noodles. But very, very happy with this cook. And I'm gonna be eating meatballs for a while. Thanks for watching.